Imagine this. You're driving home at night and you see red and blue lights in your mirror. Your heart starts racing. But here's what most people don't know. You have more power in this situation than you think. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to say, what to do, and what you never have to do when police pull you over. This could literally save you thousands of dollars and your freedom. Let's go. So, the police have pulled you over. What's the first thing you need to know? License and registration, please. Officer, am I free to go or am I being detained? This is critical. The law says police can only detain you if they have reasonable suspicion you committed a crime. If they're just asking questions casually, you could literally walk away. But here's the thing. Most people don't know that, so they stay, and that's when things get messy. Remember this. Keep your hands visible. Stay calm. Don't make sudden movements. You're not in trouble yet. You're just confirming your identity. Now, here are your actual rights. Write these down if you need to. Right number 1. You don't have to answer questions. Have you been drinking? I want to speak to a lawyer before answering questions. The moment you say those words, the officer is legally required to stop asking you questions. This is based on the Fifth Amendment, your right to remain silent. Most people ramble nervously and accidentally incriminate themselves. Don't do that. Right number 2, you don't have to consent to a search. Can I search your car? No, I don't consent to any searches. Say this clearly. Write it in stone. If you say yes, anything they find becomes evidence against you. If you say no and they search anyway, the evidence might be thrown out in court later. But here's the catch. If they have a warrant signed by a judge, they can search anyway. That's different. But in a traffic stop, they need your permission or probable cause, like they see something obviously illegal.
Right number 3, you do have to provide identification. I need your license and registration. Of course. This is not optional. In every state, you must provide a valid driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. If you refuse, you're breaking the law. Hand it over calmly. But you don't have to give them a phone password, hand over fingerprints without an arrest warrant, or let them search your phone. Right number 4, you can refuse a search of your body. I'm going to pat you down. I don't consent to a pat-down. Unless they have a warrant or they're placing you under arrest, they can't touch you. If they do it anyway, that's illegal search and seizure. Okay, here's where it gets really important. They suspect you're drunk. Take a breathalyzer test. Stop. This is a choice, and it's a complicated one. If you refuse, your license gets suspended automatically under implied consent laws, and refusing can be used as evidence you felt guilty, which sucks, but they can't use the breathalyzer data against you in court. If you take it, you keep your license for now, but if you blow positive, you have a DUI case against you. There's no perfect answer here, but here's the pro move. You can say, I want to speak to my lawyer before taking any tests. This buys you time and shows you're thinking clearly, which actually helps your case. Real talk, traffic stop laws vary by state. Some states allow officers to touch your car without permission. Some don't. Some have stop and identify laws where you must tell them your name. Others don't. The best thing you can do? Look up your state's specific laws before you get pulled over. Seriously, spend 10 minutes right now. Google your state plus police stop rights. Know the rules. It could change everything. If there's one thing you remember from this video, it's this. Stay calm, stay polite, stay silent. Don't argue, don't get angry, don't say more than you have to. You won't win a police stop by being rude. You're not going to convince them on the side of the road to let you go. Your goal is simple. Get through it safely and then fight it in court if necessary with a lawyer. Being respectful doesn't mean you're admitting guilt. It means you're smart. So here's your rapid-fire action plan. 1. Know your rights. 2. Know your state's specific laws. 3. Stay calm and respectful. 4. Invoke your right to remain silent. 5. Never consent to searches. 6. Get a lawyer if you need one. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. We're dropping new law videos every week that could save your life. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best defense. See you in the next one.